That is not cow, that is ox. Okay?
Oh, cat!
Okay.
This is the cat, okay? From there, okay? Okay, Mama?
Ha?
Okay, Mama.
Andito na naman kami guys sa farm. Ayan si Adi. Say good morning guys. Adi, say good morning guys.
Who is that?
That is, let me see. I think ox also. If there's a big horn, there's a big horn, that is ox. This also ox, Didi? Ha, ox also. These two are ox, okay?
And this one.
This, see difference. See the difference. You need the horn, no? You see there's a horn. Here, horn.
Yeah,
This is horn.
yeah. Mama, who is this?
This is cow.
Cow.
No horn. See? This two ox have a horn. This cow, no horn. Okay? That is the difference, okay? See? No horn. See? Hello, cow. How are you? See? Again. Oh, ayun.
Who is this?
This is another cow.
Cow.
Wow.
It's a horn.
No. Yeah, there's a horn little, but this one is a ox. Ganyan pala guys, oh. Ngayon ko lang na-realize in real. Ngayon lang ako nakita talaga ng real na ox. It's my first time to see the real ox. Only I see in Philippines the cow. We usually see in Philippines the cow. But it's my first time guys to see the ox in real. Physically, ayan. So the difference pala guys of the ox and the cow are the horn. Yung kita nyo, the horn is very big at saka parang nakalikusyan ganyan. Ayan, oh. Tapos kung sa mukha, pag titingnan nyo, parang magkamukha lang talaga sila. Family lang talaga sila. Tsaka see the color also, they are like the same. See, but really you will notice from the horn. See, this. So this is the ox. And you see this one, this is a cow. Later, wait a minute. See, look, they're eating grass, Adi.
Yeah, then yes, go. Yes, go. Mama.
You put in.
No, you wash this, Mama.
Don't go there, there's a pool.
Mama, I want to go there.
There's a pool there. They're cleaning the pool.
I want to check the Mama. I want to see the goat.
Goat later. The goat is later. Huh?
I want to keep the goat with the friends.
Eat the goat, yeah. Wait, we will ask Bua where's the goat. See guys, ang payapa ng buhay dito sa village.
Mama, the ducks don't go in the pool.
Hmm.
Mama, the ducks don't go in the pool.
Ayan guys, ito buntis ata to o buntis. Alingga dito, ito yata ang buntis, malaking tiyan eh. Pareho itong babae, ginagatasan ito. Kita nyo yan oh. Tingnan nyo guys dito, ang kinakain ng cow tsaka ng ox ay yung dry at tsaka combination ng dry at tsaka sariwa. The fresh and the dry. Ayan oh. Yeah. Yan guys oh. Ox pala yun. Parang nakikita ko sa Pinas. Ano ba yun? Cow ba yun? Ox nga. Tingnan nyo. Hindi nyo talaga mahalatang ox pala yung iba. Tapos yung isa ay cow. Walang pagkakaiba, no? Ayan yung kanilang Sa gabi dyan pala nila nilalagay ang mga baka. Tsaka ox. Sabi siya ng 2 sister-in-law. 3 sister-in-law ni Didi, Monica. Where is the goat? Goat. They will eat also? Where, here?
Yes.
Chalo, Adi, don't stand on. See the goat come. Where?
Anje. Chala diya.
Chaya.
Go to the cylinder. Go to the cylinder.
Yun.
Yes. आधी ऑटो को लग जाएगा आधी ऑटो
What is that, Didi? Onion?
No,
Piyaj?
this is onion and garlic.
Garlic? Ha? Garnet? Turnip?
Lasun.
Lasan?
Yes,
Garlic?
yes, garlic.
Ah, it's different pala da, no?
And this is onion.
The
This
leaves.
is onion.
Yeah,
this is
onion.
pears.
Ha? Beans. Yeah, matter. Acha. Ah, matter. See guys, ito yung piyaj, onion,
yes.
lason. The leaves of the lason is better more big than to the onion. Tapos this is the beans. Ayan, matter. Ayan. Kita nyo may bunga, madami. Ayan, matter. Ang dami nilang kahoy.
Mama,
Ha?
you can this pieces.
Ha?
You can this one.
Kya?
You can this one. This one.
Yummy po, adi po.
Mama, you watch this view.
Yes.
This one, okay,
You
Mama?
will take shower when we come back, okay? And there, what they're doing.
miss you, mommy.
Huh. You are harvesting?
आज काट्ने म सोमोलाई नि समझा ओडी भी ठाकुर है तने एक जगह खड़ी दमने या तो कटने था सा सब पैसो भी लाने मिलते थे नहीं ना इंडी मत ना लगने तो दमना लेना ठाकुर है मामा आदि सी दो rivers आदि सी the rivers
I don't know where's the river. Where's the river? You know?
no
Then, how we will go?
to the this way to the dapa and to go here
No.
and need to go here.
Ah, very far. I don't know that. Tomorrow, we will go with the Buwa. Buwa Monica and Buwa. Okay?
Please, I want to go. Mama,
I don't know, ha?
Mama, Mama.
See guys, ayan ang cauliflower. Kung iniisip nyo kung paano ba nagbubunga ang cauliflower, ganyan pala. Yan nausbong siya sa labas. Ayan. May mga tanim silang kanya-kanyang tanim. Para yan yung ginagamit nila araw-araw. Anak naman. So itong kanilang ang ganda, marami silang mga kahoy-kahoy. Galing. Ganda. Sana nga guys matuloy yung balak ni father-in-law na bumili kami ng bahay dito sa Dharamshala. Kasi nga nandito kami guys kasi nga sobrang lamig dun sa Shimla ngayon. Kita nyo naman guys, ang init-init, ang ganda dito. Napaka-pleasant ng their weather is very pleasant na. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. And in Shimla this time, walang masyadong araw. So, ang lamig talaga. Palamig pa yan, hanggang February pa yan na malamig. Kaya tumakas muna kami sa Shimla. Talagang nagbakasyon kami dito sa Dharamshala. Kaya balik ni father-in-law na.
Mama,
Ha? There's a horn.
yeah,
Acha.
this is a horn.
This is a cow. Ah, yeah, maybe ox. I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe.
Mama, this is a horn.
There's a horn.
There's a horn over there. And there's a horn over there.
There's a horn, yeah. Maybe ox, I don't know. Maybe. Tumakas nga kami sa Shimla para magbakasyon kami dito for 1 month.
Oh, Mama, this is a
And
Mama, let's go and make it.
sana nga matuloy yung aming pag-purchase
Let's go to home.
ng bahay dito.
I'm busy
Para
now.
tuwing,
Mama!
let's
go to home.
parang gusto ni Daddy na pagka kami, wait, wait a minute. Didi, we'll go. Adi asking me to go. Chalo, go, go, go. So, kasi nga, masyadong nag-aalala si Daddy pagka yung hindi namin kakayanin lamig sa Shimla. Katulad nung neto, halos 1 month kaming inuubo ni Adi, hindi mawala-wala yung ubo namin. Sa sobrang lamig.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sa sobrang
I
lamig.
love you, Mama. Thank you.
Welcome. I love you too. Sa sobrang lamig ay ayun talaga. Hindi mawala-wala yung aming ubo. Dito lang na nagpunta kami sa Bilaspur tsaka dito. Nawala yung ubo namin. Kasi sa sobrang lamig sa Shimla. Yan guys, kanila pa to. Yung buong nakikita nyong yan. Yan. Kina Monica Didi yan. Yan. Kita nyo yung boundary, yung mga itim-itim na yan. Hanggang dun pa, hanggang dun sa baba, ayun. Hanggang dun yan. Yan. Yung nakikita nyo yan, kanila yan. Diba, ang laki ng lupain. Ascendera, si Monica Didi. Ayan, sabihan na nyo yan. Sa kanila na rin yan. Wait a minute. Yeah. Stay.
Thank you. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. We'll take shower. Yes, po. You smell po now.
No, there's no smell.
You. Oh. Adi. Help Mama. Help Mama, please. Can you help Mama? Thank you. I love you. Nagpatulong ako kunwari. Kaya ko naman. Ay naka. Nung mag-ina. Garne aming slowly. Oh, slowly. No water now, na? Once in a while only they will open the water. Chalo up and take shower. You smell poo of cow. Ayun na. Pabalik na kami. See guys, this is a cremation house daw. Yeah. Where people are cremated here. Yeah. So these are the river. So naglalakad lang kami. We were going daw to, ayan guys, ang kapaligiran. So si Monica Didi, sister-in-law niya, si Adi. Ayan guys, ang ilog nila. Ayan. So naglalakad kami. At kami pupunta daw sa magpapatahi ata itong dalawang to. Niyaya kami. Sige, sabi ko, lakad-lakad lang. Ang peg. Ayan guys. Natuwa dito. Diba? Medyo iba po dito sa Shimla. Kaysa sa Shimla, diga. Nakakapaglakad-lakad ka dito. Sa Shimla kasi tamad ka maglakad. Ewan ko ba. Ayan guys. Ayan. So, update pala guys. Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Nung isang araw guys, January 15, birthday din ni Daddy yon, ng father-in-law ko. Namatay naman po yung asawa ni Masi, Pinky Masi. So, ngayon ang nangyari, 13 days pa lang, parang dun lang sa bahay, kumbaga mag-i-stay sa bahay. Basta may mga rituals pa silang gagawin. Kaya si Mami from that day, ng January 15, ay pumunta na siya dun kina Masi. At hindi pa siya bumabalik till now. So ganun yun, magtatagal siya dun for 13 days, andun lang siya. So andito lang kami kay Monica Didi. At hindi rin ako makapunta dun kasi nga ang hirap. Kasi ang hirap dahil lang si Adi ay napaka likot.